Today I'm going to do a prank in the rain. I always wanted to do this. A nice rain day and I'm going out. You'll probably be asking what kind of pranks I will do in this rainy day. I saw you right now. That was fun. Okay, what's the next prank? Break the rules in the park? Nah, I always do that. Fucking people's cars up? Nah. Been there, done that. Huh. Ding dong dits? Ah, nah, I just did that. Yeah, you guys saw it too. Oh, fuck. How lucky we have there, everybody. This just got me an idea. Oh, I'm gonna keep this for now. Go. Mixer, nobody's looking. Okay. Okay, one. Okay. Oh, there's. Okay, going forward in someone's backyard. And this will be fun too, everybody. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Hello, bitches! Woo! You know what, guys? I had a great day in the rain. I had my fun. Okay, everybody, subscribe and like and also share this video though. Okay, everybody, bye.